Hey guys, my name is Leah, and today is my very first video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your slime really stretchy about here. And I'm not editing. I'm going to show you guys all because that's how I roll. And I'm also going to be saying a lot of things that you might not think is true, but for me this works for my slime. And what I pretty much am about to say is, if you already know what to do, stop watching this video, but if you don't, keep watching this video and you will see that this is going to be helpful. Okay. Oh, and also subscribe down below. Okay, step 1. You always want to have your slime, sorry, I couldn't think of what it was called, stretched out, but not too much. Like, about right here. Okay, so right here. Okay, right there. Now, because you have a little tiny bit, you don't want to use a whole bunch, you just want to use a little tiny bit. And you always want to put it straight in the middle too, so you can get the whole thing. You always want to put a few, like a little tiny drop. You don't want to put a big, huge one. Remember, it has to be stretched out too, so. Okay, now we're going to go to the other side once it's all mixed in, and it's not so like really wet, then you're going to go to the other side, do the same thing, a little tiny dot. I kind of put too much, but that's okay. As long as you don't put too much on the first side, then you're okay. I'm just going to spread it out again. And you always want to put the lotion in there. Oh, and also you can use whatever lotion you want too, so. I'm not telling you that you have to use the exact same lotion as I am, but you can use any lotion. Okay, so now this is all mixed in. Now I'm going to go to the other side and see how it's already getting stretchy. Okay, now one more on that side. Remember, you don't want to use too much. I'm sorry, I keep repeating that, but just in case you forget or your siblings walk in or someone walks in and they won't know what you're doing. So I'm trying to pop bubbles. And then they can just like do the same thing that you're doing. Okay, now we're on the next side, and you want to put everything. I am so sorry about that. I did not mean to do that. I think I might actually cut that out. I don't know, but that was my phone. I'm really sorry. And all you want to do is just keep spreading it, and then once you're all finally done spreading it, then you just take it and you pull. Ooh, I can. Okay, and then you can literally, I'm going to stand on the table, on my chair. Okay, now it's up above the camera. Now you can see that it's already dripping down. And my arms aren't moving either, too, so. And this is how you make your slime really big and long. And every time you want to do that, you have to do the same thing over again. And thank you for watching, and subscribe down below. I will be leaving my Musical.ly name and my Instagram, my Facebook. Love you guys.